The Shields River is a legendary trout stream that empties into the Yellowstone just east of Livingston, Montana. It's a classic Montana walk-wade stream with lots of nice browns, rainbows, and cutthroats. This 47-acre parcel has a large stretch of river access and is ideally suited for those that cherish privacy, solitude, and a fishing stream that gets less fishing pressure. The property would also make a fine horse property, and the abundant wildlife and mountain views are among the finest in the region. To say this property is a rare find is a very accurate description. Let's check out the river and some of the view sheds. For more information on this rare fishing acreage, please contact Kim Busby at 406-223-7721. Thanks for watching.